Alright, today let's demonstrate the concept of grouping and aggregation. So let's first ingest the data. As usual, we'll get to go to get data, text or CSV. Next, let's double click on our source file. And now here we go. Our data looks something like this. So we'll be using group by using the region. If you look, we have two regions, east and west, and we'll be finding out the sum of the sales in the regions. So let's go ahead. I'll go to transform data so that it opens in the Power Query. Now here, first things first, since we will be doing group by, we need to make sure the data types are correct. Especially if you look the sales, it should be 1, 2, 3, that is numbers. That is the whole number we have, right? Because on the text, we cannot, it won't do the mathematical operations, right? So again, all the columns, we need to make sure they are proper. This is date, looks good because it contains date. Then region, it contains text, so ABC is good. Same goes for product, looks good. Now we are ready. On the home tab, now we'll be seeing the group by in the Power BI desktop. Let's click on group by. Next, let's select the column. It will be a region for us. Now let's give a new name. Let's give sum of sales. Next, the operation here, we need to do the sum, right? So we'll select sum. Next, let's select the column, that is sales. So let's click on OK now, and there we go. It does the mathematical operation that it adds up. Now if we compare with our input, that is east, if we add, we can see 2000, which is here, and west, if we add 1500 plus 600, it is 2100. Now let's go to close and apply, and we'll apply changes here. That's what goes for grouping and aggregation. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.